5 reasons why we pray but don't find peace. Reason number 1. Not knowing the meaning. Sometimes we don't find peace in our salah because we don't fully understand the meaning of the surah we are reciting. Reason number 2. Rushing the prayer. Praying too quickly can prevent us from focusing on our salah, experiencing the sweetness of Iman, and building a strong connection with our Creator. Reason number 3. Distractions. Worrying too much about worldly things or concerns that aren't relevant at the moment can pull you away from being fully present in your prayer and makes your salah feel robotic. Reason number 4. Noisy environment. Background noise or whispers from shaitan can really break our concentration and take away the peace we are trying to find during salah. Reason number 5. Not knowing enough about Allah. When we don't know enough about Allah or what salah really means, why it is prayed, it can be difficult to find peace during our prayers. Times pray as if it is your last prayer. Remember that Allah is watching you. Always. Find a quiet spot to pray and eliminate distractions. Keep in mind that you're standing before Allah. Find at least 10 minutes a day to learn the meaning of surahs you recite during salah times. When you say Allahu Akbar, remember that Allah is greater than anything on your mind. May Allah grant us the ability to pray salah with full sincerity and concentration, and may we find true peace and joy in our prayers. Friends, these are the reasons why we did not find peace in salah. Kindly share the video and subscribe to the Islamic Stuff channel.